Welcome to How to Film Weddings. I am Nick, and today I'm going to be talking about posing couples for video. That was really dumb. Before we go any further, I think it's very important for me to say, talk to your photographer on the wedding day about posing, about what's going on. You guys need to be on the same page so that you're not in their shot and they are not in your shot. Always communicate and always talk. Before we actually get into some posing guidelines, I want to give you 3 tips that will help your couples feel more comfortable on the wedding day. Number 1, use their names. If their names are Bill and Sarah, say Bill, Sarah, talk to them. People like to hear their names. They like that connection, and they will connect way more to you if you are using their actual names rather than bride, groom, hey you, guy, woman. Use their names. Number 2, use complete sentences. I can't tell you how many times I have gone up to couples and I was like, okay, bride, put your hand there, up, yeah, right there. Okay, something like that. Use complete sentences. If you want the bride to put her hand on the groom's right lapel, say, Sarah, put your right hand on Bill's right lapel. Or left hand on right lapel, however it would work. Number 3, do not touch them. You are not helping them, and you are only making them feel uncomfortable and stupid if you literally walk up and put their hand where you want it to go, or put your arm where you want it to go, whatever. Don't manhandle them. They are people. Use complete sentences and talk to them, or maybe show examples with your second shooter or something like that so that they can see exactly what you want. But whatever you do, do not touch them. So now let's jump into 3 ways to improve your posing on the wedding day. The first one I want to talk about is tight movement. What I mean by tight movement is getting close, getting in there, and then moving your camera with hand movement or body movement or feet move, whatever it be. Move the camera and move the person. A great way to do this might be to, like I suggested earlier, ask the bride, Sarah, put your hand on Bill's lapel and just run your hand up and down the lapel. Great, and then you get in tight, you can get a shot from this side, you can get a shot from that side of her hand moving up and down, of her face, of his reaction kind of pulling away, something like that. Again, here's where communication with the photographer is key. If you're gonna be in tight, you're gonna be close, so make sure you get the okay from the photographer before you do this type of movement. Number 2, leave it open to interpretation. If you put a couple in a certain pose and it looks awkward to you looking at them, I guarantee you they feel awkward. One thing that we do during posing time and couple time is say, Bill, protect Sarah. Bill, wrap your arms around Sarah. Bill, hold Sarah. So we're not exactly telling them where to put their arms or how to stand or whatever it may be, but it is very much them and it's open to interpretation. So whenever they look at their video and they see that pose, they know that it is 100% them. This will help them feel natural and it will really come out in the video that you create. Number 3 is movement. Get walking shots. Get shots of them interacting with each other and moving a little bit side to side or holding each other or coming together. Photos are stills and it's 1 second or 1 millisecond in time, whatever it may be. But video, if they're standing there on camera and just smiling, it doesn't look right. It doesn't look natural. It feels weird for video. So get movement. I like to do shots where the couple is walking towards me, always looking at each other or not looking at me, or walking away from the camera where I can focus in on their hands or their feet or something like that. Lots of movement with your posing can help you so much. So what do you think about these posing tips? Were they helpful? Were they not helpful? Let us know in the comments below. Please subscribe, hit that bell so you'll be notified at every single time we create a new video. And until next time, see ya.